Hey guys, to convert crypto to cash on Kraken, first, what you're gonna do, you're gonna convert your cryptocurrency for fiat currency, like USD, euros, right? Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select, let's say, my crypto, Ethereum, right? And now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit trade at the bottom right. Instead of selling, I'm gonna just convert from one exchange to another. Enter the amount in USD, or percentage-wise, I'm gonna enter a percentage. Okay, let's say 50%, 75. Okay, whatever. From Ethereum to, you can see USDT. I'm gonna click, instead of USDT, I'm gonna hit cash, right? And basically, I didn't hit the minimum. Hit continue. Before fees, it's gonna be 22, I believe, or 23, but with fees, it's gonna be 22.60. If you approve that, just hit confirm, and basically that's it. Right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.